Scroll 11. From the unreal to the real, 19 times 3 equals 57. Lo, there are experiences, my child, that cannot be described. 2. Just as colors cannot be described to a blind human. 3. However, all ordinary experiences are limited by time, space, and the law of cause and effect. 4. Normal awareness and understanding do not transcend these bounds. 5. Finite experience is measured in terms of past, present, and future. 6. The concepts of time are illusory. 7. For they have no, permanence. 8. Immeasurably small and fleeting. 9. The present cannot be grasped.